Hello everyone, it's our Flippy here, and welcome back to the next episode of Left 4 Dead 2 and to the next chapter of the Dead Air campaign. So, yeah, third chapter. And, yeah, let's go. Let's just use this medkit, even though I didn't really took that much damage. Oh well. Because I'm playing on normal difficulty, because I'm not gonna play on advanced or expert with bots, because that is gonna suck. So, yeah. Always like to walk around back here because there might be something over here you can pick up, like a grenade or something, or in this case, a pistol. But yeah. But yeah, I'm glad I found a deagle already. Which is an infected killing machine, pretty much. One shots any common infected. Pretty much on all difficulties. And can penetrate. It's just a horde over there. There's a boomer. And it also can headshot special infected pretty well if you can land a hit. But headshotting enemies in this game is actually quite difficult. Due to how hitboxes work in this game. Yeah, the hit detection of Left 4 Dead 2 can be quite awful at times. Especially when you play versus. Because the way hitboxes work, it's actually dragging a little bit behind the character models, both for infected and survivors. So yeah, if you see one moving, you actually need to like aim a little bit behind, otherwise you are unable to hit them. So yeah, and that can be a problem for versus especially because on your screen it looks like you have hit the survivor, but on their screen you miss it, and there are times you can just run straight through as character model and does nothing. But that's because you are hitting the character model, not the hitbox, because the hitbox is dragging behind the character models. And that's just an issue with this game since the beginning, since this game was launched, pretty much. I think Left 4 Dead 1 also suffers the same issue than this game. Alright, here's another crescendo event. So, yeah. Alright, let's start it up. Come on. Yeah, that took a while. Okay, alright, here they come. That will spawn a horde.
This is gonna be good.
Okay, the infected should come in a bit. I already can hear them coming. Okay, yeah, here are they. Here they come. Okay, they're getting close now. What is that jockey doing? He's just jumping. That was clear, but let's kill these infected first. Right. Yeah, they just keep coming for a while. They will eventually stop coming. Lewis is getting dragged away by a smoker. Alright. Charger just attacked. Where is the charger? There he is. Okay, he's dead. Alright, there should be ammo up ahead. Bill, give me a Molotov.
hell, I don't
Just
know.
around here. Turn your light on.
Yeah, ooh, there's bills.
Bill's here!
Grab the bills. Grab the bills. No, grab the pills, not the bills. Imagine grabbing Bill instead of pills. Oh shit, there she is. Oh shit, there's usually ammo around here, but it's not. Well, Zoe appears to be stuck. I hope she teleports. Oh. Oh, that was a boomer. Well, it's always going to die, I guess. Okay, now she comes. Okay, yeah. I don't know. I see she was stuck there for some reason. Okay, one of the bots is probably going to trigger the switch.
You got a death wish? Leave that witch alone.
God damn it. Okay, Lewis triggered the witch. Okay, the witch is dead. It was a bit unfortunate I got grabbed by that hunter though. Didn't right click him in time. Yeah, yeah, right clicking is special infected, like shoving them away as they are about to hit you. You need to like shove them a lot sooner as it seems on the game. Yeah, again, do hitboxes. How hitboxes work in this game. Wait, I think I said the hitbox is tracking behind. No, the Xbox, the character model is tracking behind the actual hitbox. So yeah, when you kill a moving target that's moving sideways, you need to aim ahead instead of directly on the character model. Yeah, that's right. That's it. I got it wrong earlier. Yeah, you need to aim ahead on character models. Not a boomermobile. Lots of boomermobiles. Okay, that's a dead hunter. Spitter somewhere. And a horde coming from behind. Alright. Alright. Smoker somewhere. There he is. There you go. I mean, the Deagle is pretty good against pretty much anything. It's good against killing common infected. It's good against killing special infected that has like low health, like boomer, spitter. It can headshot pretty well, so you can like kill a smoker with one hit if you land a headshot. And yeah, this gun is pretty much good against everything. Well, maybe not so good against the tank. Well, I guess it depends. So yeah. But it's not the fast, but the Deagle isn't really good at killing the tank fast compared to some other guns. So yeah.
Bill's here!
Got the pills. Alright, we're about to enter the airport. So
What friggin' idiot bombed the airport?
yeah, this airport has seen better days.
This isn't the plane we saw. We can get inside over the sky bridge.
Alright, there's no infected over here, so that could mean that the... Oh, wait, never mind, yeah. Usually when there's very little to no infected, that's usually a sign that a tank might be spawning up ahead. But yeah, sometimes the infected just spawn a little bit ahead. And sometimes, yeah, that area can be full of infected too. It's all random. Alright, little horde. Okay, there's a car alarm over there. Don't want to trigger that by accident.
Reloading!
Don't shoot that car.
Oh yeah, I knew it. Ooh. Yeah, you want to be careful with cars and a tanker because the tanker smash cars around. And if you get hit by a car, you get instantly downed. So yeah, and dumpsters too. So any object the tank can throw at you, like a car, a dumpster, it will instantly down you. So be careful with when you're around cars and there's a tank nearby. That's the cars is probably one of the deadliest toys that the tank can play with. Oh, there's a charger there. Because like a well placed punch to a car can wipe out a whole survivor team. Pretty much. So yeah, keep that in mind when you around cars and tanks. Like, yeah. I mean, some areas of the levels are specifically built to give the tank a huge advantage over to the survivors. Like the tank is good in like in a more blocked off areas like hallways or an area filled with tanks. The tank's great weakness is fighting him in an open-ended area. That will get him killed very quickly. So yeah, but fighting a tank in this parking lot basically has an advantage to the tank due to the many cars he can smash around. It can potentially wipe out a survivor, the whole team, pretty much. So yeah. Alright, here's the safe house. So yeah, end to the chapter. These are decently length. Like I see about that this video is like 12-13 minutes, which is decent enough. And yeah, that will be it for this episode. So yeah, I see you in the next episode. Take care and well, goodbye.